This is how you make perfect scrambled eggs just the way you like them. Hi, I'm Laura Fuentes, and on my channel I share all the kitchen skills moms just know, real life recipes, and the very best pancakes. Subscribe for more. Scrambled eggs, so easy to make and yet so finicky, right? Now, I like to use about 2 to 3 eggs per person. Let's crack them in a bowl first. I'm going to use a fork to whisk the eggs really well. You want to whisk your eggs until there's no visible egg white left. If whisking eggs is just not your thing, I'll link my quick video below too. I prefer to salt my eggs before I cook them so the entire egg mixture is seasoned. So I'm just adding a pinch of salt at first. If you want pepper, add that too. I like to do that afterwards. You can cook these just like this. You can add water if you like them fluffy, or you can add a tablespoon of milk if you want them creamier and richer. I like mine creamy, so I'll add a little bit of milk. You can cook these in butter, olive oil, or spray, whatever you have around. You definitely want to use a non-stick, which is the darker pans, for the job. If you're just cooking 2 to 3 eggs for yourself, you'll definitely want to use a smaller pan for creamier, softer eggs, and a larger pan if you like yours more cooked through, because there's a larger surface area or more heat to cook your eggs. You'll want to cook them over medium-low heat. That's between 3 and 4 in my stove. I'm also heating my pan for about 30 seconds, so when I add my butter, it melts. You want to melt it around the pan, not burn it. And when you see the first bubbles forming, pour your egg mixture. You're gonna let the eggs cook here for about 30 seconds until the edges start to look set, which is a little lighter in color. Then I'm gonna use a silicone spatula so I don't scratch my pan and start to lift the egg mixture towards the middle. And always scrape the eggs around the pan. At this point, it's totally a personal preference how well done your eggs are. I like mine looking a little wet, still moist. So at this point, I'm gonna take them off my pan. If you liked your eggs drier, more done, just cook them a little longer or use a larger pan. Let me know in the comments how your eggs turned out and what other kitchen skills you want me to shoot next. See you next time.